is one of the most interesting points parts of this visit, Jim. So let's spoke today about for what the American what we to Ukraine. Military Stryker armored vehicles, Bradley fighting vehicles. Today's Jim was $500 million, not a total amount by this, but it is smaller than what we've seen earlier this year. And there's nothing new in this package. Howitzers, more ammunition, but not those long-range rockets that Ukraine has been asking for months now, nor, of course, these fighter jets, which is really the biggest ticket item on the fighter list from Ukraine. But that really is a sticking point. So if you're reading between the lines, that is still very much a conversation that's ongoing between Zelensky and Biden administration. Ukraine is saying, first of all these Russian targets are much farther away from our troops that we cannot hit right now, and we need to hit. And on your brain, the Biden administration is saying, essentially, we understand that we can hit most of the targets we want to hit, but we're also afraid of escalating the fight, of providing something that the Russians see as too provocative. So at the same time as this highly symbolic, unprecedented presidential trip took place here in Kyiv, there's still a lot that needs to be worked out and worked out and we'll continue with other conversations going forward. That is a pretty some time. How far part of the potential? It's been out of some for quite some time. Possibly, Russia up by before should never have allowed this.
Okay, let's go.
Let's face it, marketing is tough. We're under pressure to contribute to the growth of our companies.
우리 곁에 줬어.
Weapons as well. Naturally, war Russia is lacking, but I think one of the things